oil and gas index. It's up by a percent and a percent point two, at this point in time. And we are looking at a whole host of, movers. So upstream majors like Oil India, those are the ones that are moving up. So 2.5%, 3% or ONGC is moving up in trade. Then you also have the OMC majors, HPCL, BPCL, IOC, all moving in tandem, 1.5 to 2% high in trade. In fact, there was a Citi report also on the OMCs where it constantly mentions the valuations still remain undemanding despite the re-rating in the recent past, and also at selectively at discount to their own history as well. And the margin outlook looks stable at this point in time. How would you look at the OMC space? First, Mitesh, to you, and then I will ask Gaurang also on this.
Yes, as far as OMC space is concerned, we are quite bullish chartically, and our preferred pick over here is BPCL. Now, if you look at the chart, the stock has formed its high at 687 on 16th of February. Post that, we have witnessed a correction, and recently the stock has formed a bottom between 550 to 560. And since last 3 to 4 trading sessions, the stock is forming a heart of high bottom formation on daily chart. So we are of the view that now the stock is again back into the track, and sooner than later we cross 688 levels, which it has formed as its immediate high on 16th of February, and will eventually enter into 700 to 750 range. So definitely for us, it's a buy as of now with a stop of 550 for a first target of 690 and a second target of 750.
Okay. Gaurang, I do know that in our previous conversations you have maintained a positive stance on OMCs, but I'll ask you a tough one. Between BPCL, HPCL and IOC, where would you be positive now?
You're not being fair. we have coverage on all three, to be very honest. But my worry, Sakshi, is the boil in crude oil prices above 85, 86 Brent and close to 82 NYMEX, thanks to Ukrainian attack on Russian refinery. And on the other side, we have a rupee-dollar equation wherein after gaining quite a bit of strength, rupee is weakened against the dollar to the level of 83.20, 83.25. This is a double whammy for us. Crude oil pricing rising and weak rupee. So I won't be, honestly, if you ask me, all three are good enough. But in terms of numbers, ratings, BPCL, HPCL and IOC, I think that will be the order of preference. But we have coverage on all three.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.